beautiful.
Come on, Soumya.
You are looking beautiful, Didi.
Thank you. You also look very beautiful.
Thank you. Hello,
Hello,
Saket
Sakit
Bhaiya.
Bhaiya.
How are
How are
you?
you?
Hello, Sakshi. I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm. Hello, Soumya. How are you?
I'm fine, Didi. Thank you. And you?
I'm also good.
Hello, Saket Bhaiya. Bhaiya, why were you absent yesterday?
I was absent both day. I didn't find the time yesterday and day before yesterday from my office.
Okay, okay.
You were present both the days.
Yeah, I was present both the days.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let's make some sentences.
Okay. What happened yesterday? What was learn? You were learn yesterday or day before yesterday.
Yesterday, Bhaiya sir gave us interactive sentence, Tom, Dick, and Harry.
Okay.
So we were just made creativity
Practiced.
on that sentence.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Manya Didi. How are you?
Hello Soumya, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm also good, Didi. Thank you.
Uh, Mehta madam and Juhi madam are not coming regularly.
No, they both were absent yesterday and day before yesterday also.
So they will come. Uh,
Actually, they are going to Dera. Actually, our Guruji was going to come na, so that's
okay.
why they are going to Dera for Seva.
So both was going for Dera.
Yeah, both are going.
Okay.
Guys, um, let's have some change. And while the other guys are just to come, I'm giving you a new starting as I give in offline batch. Uh, you have already written all these things, so you can ignore writing or you can write it down in a rough registered notebook wherever you want. I, because all are not present, that's why I'm giving this new starting. I have adopted this process in new online batch. So I'm writing here something, and you all will participate in this process. Soumya asks the question generally which I ask. You can ask somebody.
मान्या दीदी, what should be the verb for बाहर जाकर मौज मस्ती करना?
The verb for बाहर जाके मस्ती करना should be hang out.
Now, Manya, you ask the second related question to somebody.
Sakit bhaiya, what should be the second form of बाहर जाकर मौज मस्ती करना?
No, no, no. What should be the second form of hangout?
Okay, what should be the second form of hangout?
The second form of hangout should be hanged out.
Sorry.
Ask the same question to Sakshi. Ask the same question to Sakshi.
Okay. Sakshi, what should be the second form of hangout?
The second form of hangout should be hangout.
Now, Sakshi asked the same question to Soumya.
Soumya, what should be the second form of hangout?
The second form of hangout should be hung out.
Spelling is on your screen.
Manya didi, what should be the third form of hangout?
The third form of hangout should be hung out.
Manya?
Sakit bhaiya, what should be the verb for आना?
The verb for Anna should be come. Sakshi, what should be the second form of come?
The second form of come should be came. Soumya, what should be the third form of come?
And the third form of come should be come. Manya didi, what should be the verb for jana?
The verb for jana should be go. Sakit bhaiya, what should be the second form of go?
The second form of go should be went. Sakshi, what should be the third form of go?
The third form of go should be gone. Manya di, what should be the verb for muskurana?
The verb for muskurana should be smile. Soumya, what should be the second form of smile?
The second form of smile should be smile. Sakit bhaiya, what should be the third form of smile?
The third form of smile should be smile. Sakshi, what should be the verb for hasna?
The verb for hasna should be laugh. Soumya, what should be the second form of laugh?
The second form of laugh should be laughed. Manya didi, what should be the third form of laugh?
The third form of laugh should be laugh.
Now, Manya asked somebody जिसका भी नंबर हो, क्या आपने ये लिख लिया है? केवल एक क्वेश्चन.
Soma, have you written this?
No, Manya Didi, I have not written this.
यस में आंसर दे दो.
Okay, yes, Didi, I have written this. Sakib Bhaiya, have you written this?
नहीं, अब अगला क्वेश्चन है मिटाने के लिए पूछो.
Bhaiya, should I erase this?
एक मिनट, अब ये कैसे क्लियर होगा कि आप किसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं? तो हम मान्या से फिर से बोलेंगे. मान्या, आप पूछिए, हैव यू रिटन द फर्स्ट वन?
Soma, have you written the first one?
Yes, I have written the first one. Sakib Bhaiya, should I erase the first one?
Yes, Soumya, you should erase the first one. Sakshi, have you written the second one?
Yes, Bhaiya, I have written the second one.
Should I erase the second one?
नहीं, ये वो एक
Sorry.
Soumya, should I erase the second one?
Yes, you should erase the second one. Manya Didi, have you written the third one?
Yes, Soumya, I have written the third one.
एक बार हिंदी बस कर लो, एक बार.
क्या आपने तीसरा वाला लिखा?
तीसरी वाली.
तीसरी वाली लिख है.
हाँ, मैंने तीसरी वाली लिख ली है. Sakit Bhaiya, should I erase the third one?
Yes, Manya ji, you should erase the third one. Sakshi, have you written the fourth one?
Yes, Bhaiya, I have written the fourth one. Soumya, should I erase the fourth one?
Yes, you should erase the fourth one.
Sakshi, complete the process.
Should I erase the fourth one?
Complete the process का मतलब होता है बेटा हिंदी बोलना.
Okay, sorry. जी सर, सॉरी. सौम्या, क्या मैं फोर्थ वाली मिटा दूं?
हाँ दीदी, आप फोर्थ वाला मिटा दो. मान्या दीदी, have you written the fifth one?
Yes, Soumya, I have written the fifth one. Sakit Bhaiya, should I erase the? Okay, sorry.
क्या आपने फिफ्थ वाली लिख ली है?
हाँ, मैंने फिफ्थ वाली लिख ली है. Sakit Bhaiya, should I erase the fifth one?
Yes, you should erase the fifth one.
क्या मैं फिफ्थ वाली मिटा दूं?
हाँ, आप पांचवी वाली मिटा दीजिए.
अब साकिब, अब ऐसा लिखने के बाद हम क्या पूछते हैं याद करो, नहीं तो हम मदद करेंगे.
थैंक यू.
कोई और?
What should be the Hindi meaning of here you are?
अच्छा, ऐसा चलो मैं बताता हूँ. मैं ही ये सवाल कर लेता हूँ. मान्या, what which chapter is this sentence related?
This sentence is related to be present.
Absolutely correct. Ask the second question. आपको ये पूछना है कि इस वाक्य में कर्ता कौन है.
Okay. Soumya, what is the subject in this sentence?
You is the subject in this sentence. Sakib Bhaiya, what is the helping verb in this sentence?
R is the helping verb in this sentence.
साकेत, आप यही सवाल, अच्छा, शी इज गॉन, यही सवाल मान्या जी से पूछिए.
नो सर, मैं हूँ यहाँ
she
पे।
is here.
आई एम हियर।
She is here. She is here.
What is the Sakshi? What is the helping verb in this sentence?
There is a no. There is no helping verb in this sentence. Thank you, sir. Manyadi, what is the R in this sentence?
R is the main verb in this sentence. Soumya, what is the here in this sentence?
Here is the adjective or noun in this sentence.
अब दोस्तों आपके मन में जो सवाल आया उसका जवाब मैं देता हूँ। ये जो वाक्य मैं जिनको इंटरेक्टिव के रूप में देखता हूँ, ये इंटरेक्टिव क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि ये बहुधा मीन्स अधिकतर ग्रामर से बाहर होते हैं, इसलिए ये इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस कहलाते हैं। तो इसमें हियर अपनी जगह पे नहीं है जहां उससे होना चाहिए, इसलिए ये इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस है। हियर ने अपनी जगह बदल ली, इसलिए ये इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस है। इट इज लिटिल आउट ऑफ ग्रामर, बट two things are in the grammar and third thing is out of the grammar. That's why they are called interactive sentences. Now, use it in a practical sentences. Saket is having the experience. Sakshi is also having little experience. Anybody can start and make a practical sentence putting this. लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक सेकंड रुकिएगा, एक सवाल पूछ ही लेते हैं, आगे रोज हम आपसे पूछवाएंगे। आपको सबको पता है फिर भी पूछ लेते हैं। सोम्या, व्हाट शुड बी द हिंदी मीनिंग? कैन यू गेस द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस?
So the Hindi meaning should be ये लीजिए.
नाउ स्टार्ट।
सर हेयर क्या होगा फिर यहाँ पर?
वैसे तो हियर ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसको ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो अपनी जगह नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए ये इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस। और तुम जाके, अब तुम लोग सब मोबाइल पे ढूंढते हो तो मोबाइल पे ही ढूंढना, लेकिन इस तरह से ढूंढना, हियर टाइप करना, मीनिंग टाइप करना स्पेस देके, फिर स्पेस देके इन कॉलिंस डिक्शनरी, बहुत सारा खुल जाएगा ऊपर। और गूगल में डायरेक्ट मत जाना, क्रोम में टाइप करना, वो जो गोल गोल निशान रहता है क्रोम का, आई हैव टोल्ड यू राइट वंस। तो उसमें ऊपर जो 3 बिंदी है, उससे जब तुम व्हाट्सएप में शेयर करोगे ग्रुप में, तो जो भी उसको टच करेगा ब्लू लाइन को, वो ले जाएगा व्यक्ति को क्रोम में, और व्यक्ति वहां स्क्रॉल कर सकता है, जितना चाहे नीचे तक स्क्रॉल कर सकता है, माइक को टच करके सुन भी सकता है, और स्क्रीनशॉट में ये सारी सुविधाएं नहीं होती। तो जरूर तुम देखना, कॉलिंस में जाना, ग्रुप में शेयर कर देना, तो उसमें तुम्हें कई सारे मीनिंग मिलेंगे। आज हम फिर से दोहराते हैं, बहुत पुराना वाक्य है, शुरू में हमेशा बोलते थे, साकेत को भी याद होगा और साक्षी को भी। अंग्रेजी में एक ही शब्द एक से अधिक रूप में काम करता है या कर सकता है। वो नाउन भी हो सकता है, वर्ब भी हो सकता है, एडजेक्टिव भी हो सकता है, एडवर्ब भी, कंजंक्शन, प्रीपोजिशन, सो ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन। सो डोंट वरी। और ये चीज जो मैं बार बार बताता हूँ दोस्तों, यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड, ये हमें हमारे समय में 11th क्लास में सिखाई जाना चाहिए थी, और आप लोगों के समय में 12th क्लास में। हम जब पढ़ते थे उस समय 11th क्लास आखिरी होती थी, उसके बाद कॉलेज में जाते थे। तो रेन एंड मार्टिन की बुक लेने को टीचर बोलते थे, हमें भी बोला गया था, हमने भी नहीं ली थी क्योंकि उन्होंने कंपल्सरी नहीं किया था, सजेशन दिया था। तो वॉट एवर आई एम गिविंग यू मैक्सिमम अवेलेबल इन रेन एंड मार्टिन. Google is not taking the correct spelling of rain. The correct spelling of rain starts with W. Martin is correct spelling. WREN, rain. WREN. Yes. Okay, now make some sentences. Okay,
Yes,
should
this
I
is for
start?
you.
Okay, so
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please.
he gave me the toffee and he said, "Here you are, you. Here you are." I said, "Thank you." He said, "Welcome." उसने मुझे टॉफी दी और उसने बोला ये लीजिए, मैंने कहा धन्यवाद, इसने कहा स्वागत।
It's your birthday present.
He came to my home.
Okay, Saket bhai,
Okay,
after you.
after you start. Okay.
लेडीज फर्स्ट।
He came. Okay, after you, Soumya.
It's your present. It's your birthday present. Here you are. ये तुम्हारा बर्थडे का गिफ्ट है, ये लीजिए।
He came to my home and gave me my pen and said, "Here you are." वो मेरे घर आया और उसने मुझे मेरा पेन दिया और बोला कि हियर यू आर।
अब 2 मिनट रुकिएगा दोस्तों, और फ्यूचर सिंपल में एक सेंटेंस लिखिए सबसे पहले। कल मैं आपके घर आऊंगा। और उसी के नीचे लिखिए, क्या कल आप मेरे यहाँ आएंगे?
So it is done. It is already done.
आई नो, लेकिन जब कोई अपने सेंटेंस में हाउस लगाए तो या तो हमें बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ जाना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे हमारा नुकसान होगा, हमारा खून जलेगा, इसलिए हम उसको बिल्कुल सामान्य जीवन मान के, ये मान के कि मैंने ये सेंटेंस नहीं दिया होगा साकेत को, इसलिए वो होम लगा रहा है, इसलिए मैं आपको फ्यूचर सिंपल में ले गया। चलिए, अब आपका फ्यूचर जो है ब्राइट हो गया, और साकेत अपने सेंटेंस को सुधार ले। बोलो भारत माता की।
He came to my house and
हाँ,
gave me.
वेरी गुड।
He came to my
ये
house and
मुहावरा सुना है, चोर चोरी से जाए सीना जोरी से नहीं। आप में से किसी ने सुना है तो ध्वनि के साथ बताए। इन्फॉर्म मी विद द वॉइस।
Yes, sir. सुना तो है।
चलो यार, लगे हाथ क्यों ना हम एक सेंटेंस ही ले लेते हैं। चलो, कैन चैप्टर में एक भी सेंटेंस नहीं दिए, लिखो लिखो लिखो। क्या आप मेरे घर आ सकते हैं? लिखिए। क्या आप मेरे घर आ सकते हैं? प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह. Write down one more sentence after leaving one line. नहीं, मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन मैं कल आपके यहाँ आ सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन मैं कल आपके यहाँ आ सकता हूँ. Who has to make this sentence? First one.
Sir, I have to make this sentence. Sir, this sentence is related to can chapter.
Very
It is
nice.
in inverted sentence.
Soumya, do you remember I will always ask two Hindi questions whenever inverted comes?
Yes, sir.
तो सौम्या ये बताओ तुमने कैसे पहचाना ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस है?
सर, इस वाक्य के शुरू में क्या शब्द आया है?
एब्सोल्युटली राइट. दूसरा सवाल, सेकंड क्वेश्चन गोस टू यू. इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम बताइए.
सर, इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले शब्द को उठाकर सब्जेक्ट के पहले रख देते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली नाइस. गो अहेड प्लीज.
Firstly, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Thereafter, I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. Lastly, I will take the object, and the object is me. At the end, I will put question mark, and the sentence is, can you come to me?
Please do not speak this sentence because there is one more sentence which is the answer of this question. So after writing this, who has to make the second one?
That I have to make this second.
Very good. Thank you, Maya.
This sentence is related to can chapter. It is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is no. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Then I will put the negative word once more, and the negative word is not. Then I will take the first form of verb, and the first form of verb is come. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. Then I will take the object, and the object is you. And then I will take the conjunction, and the conjunction is but. Thereafter, I will take the object, and the object is definitely. And thereafter, I will take the another object, and the object is I. Then I will take the helping verb, one more helping verb, and the one more helping verb is will. Thereafter, I will take the object and the object is tomorrow. Lastly, I will put the full stop and the sentence is no, I cannot come to you, but definitely I will come tomorrow.
Very nice. Guys, sentence making is never important in this class. Everybody knows Manya's sentence is wrong. But see, Manya has spoken so much English, isn't it? This is important. Now, who has to make this sentence? Somya, you will get the chance at last because you made the first sentence.
I have to make this sentence.
Please.
This sentence is related to can chapter. Firstly, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is no. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Uh, Thereafter, the I will take can. Uh, there, then I will take the negative word, and the negative word is not. Uh, then I will take the first form of verb, and the first form of verb is can. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. Uh, Thereafter, I will take the object, and the object is you. Thereafter, I will take the conjunction, and the conjunction is but. Thereafter, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Uh, then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is will. Then I will take the first form of verb, and the first form of verb is come. Thereafter, I will take uh, extension, and the extension is tomorrow. So the completed sentence will be no, I cannot come to you, but I will come tomorrow.
Very nice, Saket. We know that this is also wrong, so Sachi's rest. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I can't make this sentence because I did not listen properly.
ओके, तो हम फिर से बोल देते हैं, लिखो।
नो सर, एक्चुअली जो सब मतलब सब लोगों ने मतलब जैसे बनाया ना, मैं उसको ठीक से सुन नहीं पाई.
अच्छा, तो जितना सुन पाई उतना बोल दो।
ओके सर. um, this sentence is related to negative sentence.
वेरी
Firstly, I
नाइस।
will take Firstly, I will take the negative word no. So negative word is no, and I will take the subject, and subject is here.
वेरी गुड, गो अहेड, कैरी ऑन, नाइस, गुड गोइंग।
No sir. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can't.
वेरी नाइस।
Thereafter, I will take the verb, and the verb is come, and sir, that's it.
वेरी नाइस। यहाँ एक बहुत अच्छी चीज मैंने अभी भी हाल ही में नोटिस की कि ये गूगल मीट में जिस व्यक्ति जो व्यक्ति विजिबल नहीं है उसके राइट साइड में ऊपर एक माइक्रोफोन का निशान बना होता है। तो वो जब व्यक्ति बोलना शुरू करता है तो वो दिखना बंद हो जाता है और वहां पे ऐसे ब्लू बैकग्राउंड पे व्हाइट कलर की लाइनें चलने लगती है। तो साक्षी भले ही मौजूद ना हो लेकिन साक्षी के होने का एहसास होता रहता है कि हाँ साक्षी वहां पीछे कहीं बैठी हुई है। तो इससे अच्छा लगता है। नाउ सौम्या, हु हैज टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस?
Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to can chapter. It is an it is an negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is no. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will
बेटा
take
एक बार सौम्या, एक बार हिंदी सेंटेंस बोल देना, हम भूल गए।
नहीं, मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन मैं कल आपके यहाँ आ सकता हूँ।
ओके, नाउ कैरी ऑन।
Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Then I will take the negative word, and the negative word is not. Thereafter, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. Thereafter, I will take the object, and the object is you. Then I will take today. Then I will take adverb, and the adverb is today. Then I will take the conjunction, and the conjunction is but. Thereafter, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. Thereafter, I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. And then I will take the object, and the object is you. And lastly, I will take another adjective, adverb, adverb, and the adverb is tomorrow. And the sentence is no, I cannot come to you today, but I can come to you tomorrow.
वेरी नाइस। दोस्तों, मैं अपने बच्चे को बुलाने जा रहा हूँ, अगर वो फ्री होगा, वो गेम खेल रहा होगा तो बल्कि मैं ले ही आऊँगा उसको, क्योंकि कुछ एक जो छोटे बच्चे बाहर बैठे हैं उनको अभी पता नहीं यहाँ तक वो पहुँचे हैं कि नहीं। तो मैं अपने बच्चे की मदद लेता हूँ, अगर वो असफल हुआ तो फिर मैं इसका स्टार्टिंग बताऊंगा। Guys, my son is not available, so I have invited one female candidate from Mumbai. She will be joining soon online. Madam is sending the link to her, and but she is not miss. She is not prepared to be visible. So her video will be off, and she will make the sentence. She, she just coming. She's just coming. Just wait. Good evening, Sarika. Welcome and thank you. Mhm. Uh, Speak something. You are not audible. Hello, Sarika.
Good evening. Am I
Your voice is chopping.
am I audible now?
Now you are clearly audible, Sarika. Sarika, can you see
जी
one sentence on the whiteboard? नहीं मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकता लेकिन मैं कल आपके घर आ सकता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
So
I can see. नहीं, मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन मैं आपके घर आ सकता हूँ.
so let's make it with process. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
Thank you.
This sentence is having 3 parts.
Yes, ये
And
बच्चे ये सब भूल गए बीच के गैप में. बाकी सब इन्होंने सही कर दिया, लेकिन ये मेन चीज भूल गए तो पूरा किए धरे पे पानी फिर गया था. बट नाउ यू मेक दिस सेंटेंस. दे मस्ट बी ashamed of themselves.
and this sentence belongs to Ken chapter. First sentence is negative sentence, and second one is also negative.
and third one is affirmative sentence. So firstly, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is no. Then I will put exclamatory sign here. Then I will take the second sentence, and the second sentence is an again negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Later on, I will take the negative word here, and the negative word is not. I cannot. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. I can't come. Later on, I will take the preposition, and the preposition is at. I can't come at you. To, sorry. Later on, I will take the preposition to. Then I will take the object, and then I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is your. And then I will take the I can't come to it. Okay. Later on, I will take the object, and the object is your place. Can't come to. मैं आपके यहाँ नहीं आ सकता. Come to you. Sorry. I can't come to you. Then I will take the conjunction.
Sarika.
Ji. Then I will take the extension, and the extension is today. Later on, I will take the conjunction, and the conjunction is but here. Then I will take again subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is can. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is come. Thereafter, I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. And then I will take the object. The object is you. Lastly, I will take the extension, and the extension is tomorrow. And lastly, I will put full stop at the end of the sentence. So sentence is no, I cannot come to you today, but I can come to you tomorrow.
Thank you, Sarika. Here is a topic for you. Thank you. Guys, you can put your hands together for her. Thank you, Sarika. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Let's start with Soumya. Soumya, can you come to me?
No, sir, I cannot come to you today, but I can come to you tomorrow.
सौम्य क्या तुम मेरे घर आ सकती हो?
नहीं सर, मैं आज तो आपके घर नहीं आ सकती, लेकिन मैं कल आपके घर आ सकती हूँ. साकिब भैया, can you come to me?
No, Soumya, I cannot come to you, but I can come tomorrow.
Come again, भैया.
अरे सौम्य, एक बार और पूछना, ये मेन चीज हमें सुनाई ही नहीं दी है. कम अगेन. अच्छा, एक काम करो, मान्या दीदी से पूछो.
Manya Didi, can you come to me?
No, Soumya, sorry, I cannot come to you because Kareli is very so far from Nagpur.
क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आ सकती हैं?
नहीं सौम्या, सॉरी, मैं तुम्हारे यहाँ नहीं आ सकती क्योंकि करेली नागपुर से बहुत दूर है. Saket bhaiya, can you come to me?
No, I cannot come to you because today I am very busy.
क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आ सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैं आपके यहाँ नहीं आ सकता हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं काफी बिजी हूँ।
ये भी बोल
साक्षी जी। यस सर। But I can come to you tomorrow. साक्षी।
एक मिनट मान्य जी, एक बार हिंदी कर लें क्योंकि सारी समस्या हिंदी की है।
ओके सर। साकेत भैया, क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आज आ सकते हैं?
नहीं मान्या जी, मैं आपके यहाँ आज नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि आज मैं काफी बिजी हूँ। साक्षी, कैन यू कम टू मी?
सॉरी साकेत भैया, आप योर आंसर इज इनकम्प्लीट.
Oh, no, Manya ji, I cannot come to you because I am very busy today. But I can come tomorrow.
सॉरी.
हाँ यार, वो हमें हर
But
बार
I
से मिस
but
हो
I can
जाता है।
come to you tomorrow.
क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आज आ सकते हैं?
नहीं मान्या जी, आज मैं काफी बिजी हूँ, बट मैं कल आपके यहाँ आ सकता हूँ।
भैया गो अहेड.
Okay. Sakshi, can you come to me?
No, bhaiya, I can't come to you because I don't know where is your house. But if you meet me, so you can come to me.
साक्षी, क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आ सकते हो?
नहीं भैया, मैं आपके यहाँ नहीं आ सकती क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता आपका घर कहाँ है। पर यदि आप मुझसे मिलना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे यहाँ आ सकते हैं।
Complete the round, Sakshi.
Who's rest? Sir,
नहीं, पहले
nobody is rest.
खुश खुश हो लो, उसके बाद
Yes,
पूरा।
sir.
पहले खुश हो लो अच्छे से।
No, sir. मैं तो खुश हूँ सर। Can I ask you?
और एक गहरी सांस लो। इतना सारा बोला तुमने।
Thank you, sir. Sir, can you come to me?
No, I'm sorry, Sakshi. I cannot come to you today, but I can definitely come to you tomorrow.
Are you sure, sir?
Yes, I'm damn sure.
सर क्या आप मेरे यहाँ सर क्या आप मेरे यहाँ आ सकते हैं?
माफ करना साक्षी, मैं आज तो तुम्हारे यहाँ, तुम्हारे घर नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन मैं कल तुम्हारे यहाँ, तुम्हारे घर पक्का आ सकता हूँ।
Okay, sir. I will wait you.
आई
I will
हेट
waiting for you.
आई हेट यू लिखा है गूगल ने। आई हेट यू।
सर वो कभी कभी सुनता नहीं है। सर मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला था।
नहीं, आई नो। लेट्स एंजॉय दिस इस टेक्निकल फॉल्ट। एक एक सेंटेंस उसमें ये दूसरा वाला दिया है क्या हमने आपको?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
तो चलो एक प्रयोग कर लो इसका। Put this interactive sentence in a practical conversation.
Okay, sir. I will try.
Thank you.
I asked, "Is this your book?" He said, "Yes, this is my book." Uh, then I uh, then I then I said, "I think you are. I think you forgot there. So here you are." He said, "Thank you." मैंने पूछा, क्या ये आपकी बुक है? उसने कहा, कि हाँ, ये मेरी बुक है। तो मैंने सोचा, आई थिंक वहाँ भूल गए थे। मुझे लगता है आप वहाँ भूल गए। ये लीजिए।
Very nice.
Sir, I'm ready.
Please.
Today I prepared a delicious lunch for my family, like a thali. So I served to my children first and said, "Here you are." So my children said, "Thank you, Mama."
Nice.
My friend was having chips and he said to me, "Here you are." So I said, "Thank you." मेरी फ्रेंड चिप्स खा रही थी तो उसने मुझसे कहा, "ये लीजिए." तो मैंने कहा, "थैंक यू, धन्यवाद."
You have won the first prize. Here you go. आपने पहला इनाम जीता है, ये लीजिए।
Wow. ऐसी ही कुछ क्रिएटिविटी अपेक्षित थी तुमसे, Sakit. This kind of creativity was expected because you have joined offline batch and you have seen small kids make so beautiful sentences, so practical sentences. Guys, we will have this session for 1 hour or little bit up or down every day, and we will actually this kind of creativity was necessary, but unfortunately, it was, you can say, my mistake. I admit it. So now I am trying to rectify it while the others are coming. Because writing interactives, idioms, and verbs or copying them by WhatsApp was not giving good results. That's why I have restarted this and I will give you everything again. And creativity will be played so you will be able to speak English. So be prepared from tomorrow. Join 5 o'clock and by 6 o'clock or 6:10 we will conclude the class. If you want to say anything, you can say, or you can say in WhatsApp as well. So should I conclude? Thank you for joining. God bless you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.